The narration from Hamza bin Abdullah, as found in the collection of hadiths in Sahi Al-Bukhari, presents an intriguing aspect of the societal norms and practices during the lifetime of the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. In particular, Hadith number 174 illuminates the interaction between humans and dogs within the sacred spaces of mosques, providing a glimpse into the multifaceted relationship that existed. It is recounted by Hamza, quoting his father Abdullah, that during the era of the Prophet, dogs had a presence within the mosque, frequently moving to and fro. More surprisingly, these dogs were occasionally seen urinating within these hallowed confines. However, it is noted that despite this occurrence, there was no immediate compulsion to cleanse the areas where the dogs had relieved themselves, nor was water habitually sprinkled over the urine. This hadith challenges preconceived notions about cleanliness and purity, especially within Islamic tradition, where cleanliness holds significant importance. The casualness with which this issue is handled suggests an inherent understanding and prioritization of practicalities of life and the environment over rigid adherence to ritualistic purity. Furthermore, it speaks to the inclusivity and tolerance that could have been a trademark of such sacred institutions during the lifetime of the Prophet. The context in which this hadith is narrated is crucial. During the time of the Prophet, the mosque may have served a multipurpose role, often acting as a communal gathering place for various members of the society, including those who may have been accompanied by dogs, whether as pets or working animals. The dogs, therefore, were part of the fabric of communal life, welcomed within spaces that were primarily designed for worship. Moreover, this narrational insight reflects upon the essence of the Prophet's mission, transcending rigid customs when they do not serve the spiritual and communal welfare. The presence of dogs within the mosque, and the fact that their actions were not met with immediate sanitation measures, signifies a broader acceptance of living beings coexisting within spaces intended for worship, thereby redefining them as spaces of gathering and community building. In essence, Hadith number 174 serves as a reminder to uphold the spirit of tolerance and adaptability, recognizing the divine presence not exclusively in ritual purity but also within the mundane aspects of life. It advocates for a broader understanding of divinity and community, where human and animal interactions are woven into the spiritual and everyday fabric of life without undue rigidity. This hadith challenges us to reflect upon priorities, encouraging a balance of religious observance with life's practical realities, an ethos that could very well be crucial in contemporary times.